Well, good morning everyone. So we're just about to go on a ride out now. Alby has met us. The boys are all ready. So we'll see where today takes us. You alright, Jay?
Yeah, I'm alright.
I can't hear again.
Oh,
can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh my god.
Just don't bother with it.
Huh?
Don't bother with it.
It's this thing here. Speak again.
Yo.
Yeah, it's that. I got a dodgy lead then.
Maybe is it plugged in?
Dunno.
All the way.
I can hear you now.
Alright.
Nightmare. Alright, I think we're all round to go. Andy's going to lead. Get off this horrible grit. Can you hear me, Jay?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I can't hear you, buddy.
Alright.
This bloody thing. What now?
Yeah, can you hear me?
No.
Hello, 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 hello.
It's that lead there. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, okay, I got you. So this morning it's 9 degrees. And Andy's taking us for a venture, Jay, isn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Not sure what Andy's got lined up, but I'm sure it'll become apparent. Yeah, so this morning we're leaving a little bit later. I think it's 11:30 at the moment. Yeah, this morning we just had a total relax. We weren't going to go anywhere until Alby came and joined us. So the poor little sausage had the whole journey down in the rain. I mean, it's still raining now, but it's eased up a little bit. Did you have a good breakfast, Jay?
Mm-hmm. 2 breakfasts, really.
Yeah, you had 2 breakfasts. So we got Ian, bless him. Ian's our chef. He's spawning us rotten at the moment. So he cooked us dinner last night. Did the breakfast this morning. There he is, just in front of us, red jacket on. Well, they said we were going to get a lot of rain today, so...
Well, it seems right so far.
Yeah, it's okay like this. But the good thing is with the house, you know, even if we get wet, we've got time, we can dry the stuff out.
Yeah.
So it's not a problem. So what do you think of our digs?
It's alright. It's a bit cold, but we got it heated up.
Yeah, I didn't know. The boys didn't say last night there was no hot water, no heating. It was funny, I didn't even really pay much attention. I mean, it went chilly last night, but I didn't really pay much attention. You know, I was okay. But anyway, I get up this morning and talking to obviously Jason. He's like, "There's no heating." I'm like, "What do you mean there's no heating?" "There's no hot water," he says. So he, bless him, he'd gone and have a look at the boiler and everything else. The boiler was all on. So I had a quick look, and lo and behold, the actual boiler wasn't fired up. So basically, let's call it the pilot light. The pilot light wasn't lit; it just needed firing. That's it. We sorted that out. It's not a problem. But that place, oh god, the digs, wow. It's so big in there, absolutely perfect. And cost-wise, you know, what are we there? We're there 3 nights, aren't we? Cost-wise, it works out, you know, well, not much more if we were camping, for example. Yeah, so although this is like our Cornwall tour, it's more of a group meet-up, really. We've got a great bunch of guys. We all get on really well. All meeting up. Central place to go back to. Be a few little ride-outs. And that's it. Basically, what more do you want? I think we're popping down to Land's End tomorrow. And today basically was all about knowing Alby was coming down because he had stuff obviously to sort out, which is important to him before. So waiting for Alby. Andy's got the afternoon plan for us. Yeah, this is great. Not like the Scotland tour where we're rushing from one destination to the next destination. We haven't got that at all. So it's a total relaxed trip. Is that Gaz behind you chatting away?
Yeah.
Jay?
Yeah, it is.
I think, bear with me because I think I can't hear you again. Let's try again. You chatting?
Yeah, hello. I'm here.
No, it's gone.
It's fallen out.
Bear with me, I'll do it in a sec. That was working really well then. Can you talk for me?
It's fallen out.
I can hear you shouting without even the thing on.
Yeah, it has fallen out.
I gotta find the lead, Jay, bear with me.
The lead is out.
Where is it?
Oh my God.
What about now?
It's fallen out. It's fallen out.
You don't have to shout. You're not in my ears yet, no. But you can hear me, can you?
Yeah.
Oh man.
It's fallen out of the thing.
That's going to be hilarious on your thing when I come to editing this. That's gone totally, hasn't it? What the hell is wrong with it? So now I'm having issues. Jamie can hear me and I can't hear him at all.
Has fallen out.
You're going to have fun editing this. I can't find the lead. Where the lead is, Jay?
The lead's fallen out.
Don't shake like that. You get a sore throat. Nah, it's gone.
Oi, the lead has fallen out.
The lead's fallen out?
Yeah.
What, my lead?
Yeah.
Oh, you can see it?
Yeah, that's what I've been saying.
Oh. I can hear you. How the hell does the lead fall out?
Do you want me to put it back in?
Can you see the plug?
Yeah, give me a sec. Stay still. Turn your head. Turn your head. Turn your head.
Oh, it'd be fantastic if you can get back in that hole. There's 2 holes though.
It's done.
Aye?
It's all the way in.
I might be in the wrong one though. There's 2 holes. There's two I can't hear now. It's got to be the other one. You know where you just plugged it in? If you can't hear me. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Tap my shoulder if you can hear me. Okay. I can't hear you obviously. Now where you just push that in, there's 2 holes. There's like an auxiliary one and a headphone one. So I think you might, although you've done the right thing, you've pushed it into the wrong one. We'll have to do it when we stop, won't we? I think. So obviously I've got no chance of hearing you at all now. If you want, come out of comms. Come out of comms and do your music. Is that what you're doing?
Music on.
Okay, so at least we found out what's wrong with me the Scarlet Rider headset. Now the headphone jacks come out. That explains it. It wasn't in, for whatever reason, in properly. So we'll get that sorted later. Hopefully Jay's alright now, he can listen to music. Well, it's chucking it down now. Poor old Alby. Just got most of his clothes dried out, it's going to be wet again. There's some spray coming off that lorry. I know Ian, you're not going to be happy, I know you're not. So last night we had a bit of fun. Ian made us a lovely tea. We basically spent, obviously, the evening chatting, having a few beers. And in the place there's a table football game, so we had a game of table football. That was good. Good laugh. Anyway, there's a bar in there as well and everything. It's great. So the boys were chilling out, relaxing down there. Just put a bit of music on. The next minute, then Gary, good old Gaz, falls asleep. Jason's already explaining to us Well, he's a nightmare for snoring. And but Jason had already gone to bed early, so Jason, bless him, his back is playing up. But so he goes off to bed. Left us with Gaz, who fell asleep on the sofa. So we left him there. And Jamie, bless him, is trying to do the lead now. Oh my God, you've done it! Yay! Jamie's fixed it, Jamie's fixed it, la 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 la. Jamie's fixed it, Jay. You're going to wish you hadn't, though. It's warming up, Jay. It's now 14 degrees now. I can't get past him now. What the hell was that? What did that hit? Yeah, so did I. Is it mine or is it Alby's? Well, I did as well. Who's popping? Is it me? Oh my God, what's falling off? We'll find out now. That can't be me popping. Whose exhaust was popping? Was that me? Did you hear it?
Still doing it.
Is that yours?
Yeah.
Oh, it's yours doing it?
Yeah.
I thought it was me.
No.
Because I heard it twice. Both me and Jay like, what the hell was that?
Yeah. What I think it is.
Oh my God, it's minging.
I think some air getting in somewhere, and it's not going all the way. It's escaping. It's not going all the way through. Remember when I was in Scotland? The two back pipes came off.
Yeah.
They're back on. The front ones are okay, but I haven't had time to strip it down yet. When I strip it down, I bought two new seals.
Yeah.
Put all new seals for the front, the middle, and the back box. They put all new seals in. If that don't do it, I'll put it in to be fixed.
Yeah.
See what's the matter with it.
It's funny because I only heard it twice.
Yeah, it's only if I give it some and then shut off. A bit of overrun. Boom.
Yeah.
Scares the life out of you.
Yeah, we noticed. But Jay goes, I don't know, but it vibrated your bike. Like, Alby's trying to shoot us, Jay. That can't be a battery. What's it, Jay? I can't see the symbols. Look for the battery one. Is it on somewhere? Well, battery's massive then.
But we had to have a quick stop then because Gaz had a puncture in his rear tyre. So we had to pull over quick at the garage, and we've repaired it. Well, he's repaired it. So we're back on the way. We're about 10 miles away from the base, from Andrew's base. We're going to have to turn the cameras off when we go in, obviously, because it's military. But we'll leave it filming just for a little while. Turn it off when we get there, and we'll have a little catch up when we come back out. Turn the film back on again. Let you know how we got on. Just for a minute. It stopped raining at least for a while. How long for, who knows. After the ride up this morning, 5 hours and pouring rain from start to finish. Dried all my stuff out, and we've been out again. We've had a fair amount of rain since we've been back out. So I think today I'm on about 310, 320 miles so far for me today. Guess we got we got to go back yet, so it's going to be a long one for me today, and I'll sleep well tonight. So yeah, for now, just sit back, enjoy the little ride. I'll catch up in a bit. Nice. Sea King, Sea Rescue helicopter. By the look of it. Nice. Well, this is where Andrew works. Mr. Wildish. Okay, so that's all camera equipment off, I believe. Have a look.
Well, Andy's got a little surprise for us then. We better turn off these cameras then. Yeah. You said there was no rush.
Always someone faffing about. You can tell him it ain't me this time.
They're all moaning, eh? They're all moaning, Alby.
Don't worry about it. Water for duck's back.
Are you connected to my thing?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, you are?
Yes, I am. I can hear you.
You can hear him, eh? Come on then, Jay. What are they all waiting for?
I don't know. Thumbs up.
Hey, up, bunch of walkers. Well, we're back to filming. It all went wrong earlier.
Yeah, I'm on at the minute.
And we got Alby on board now. Yes.
Oh. Alright, let's go. I'll get the back, go on.
I'll go in front of you. I'll go at the back with you.
You sure? There you go, I'll get the back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We away. You on, Jay? Oh, Jay's not on, is he? I keep forgetting. Well, folks, good luck watching any of my filming because it's actually rubbish so far. But hey, we got Alby on board now.
We got Alby Fuffer, Captain Fuff himself.
Yeah, man. I don't understand. How come you were ready before me back there? Hey?
You got a good excuse. You got to get two ready. So.
It's like there's no rush, but hurry up, Greg. You know when you set off and you think, I'm sure I've left something behind.
No, he's on the back. You're all right.
Yeah. Jamie's on the back.
They do know the drop-off system, don't they?
Yeah, that's alright.
Done it enough time.
Yeah, so Andy's little trip at the base, that was cool.
Yeah, it was wicked. Yeah, I really enjoyed that.
Yeah, so did I. I mean, obviously we couldn't film anything.
It's a shame, but you can understand why.
Absolutely. So that was for our eyes only. Just check Jay's alright. Hey, Stevie.
I've got my lowering kit, but I still haven't put it on yet. So
You've got?
I've got a
What have you
lowering,
got?
I bought myself a lowering kit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I haven't had a chance to put it on yet. I've still got the lowering pegs that Jason's giving me.
Oh yeah.
I haven't put them on yet either. I'm going to get it all done before I go to Ireland.
Ireland.
Yeah.
Now Ireland would be an awesome trip with the boys. I do wish I kind of sort of put my name down for it, but I kind of at the time my brain was all over the place, and I didn't know what was going on. I couldn't like commit to anything really.
Fair enough.
I do wish I wish I was coming now. That'd be a good trip.
I'd like to get back up to Scotland one time as well. Try and finish that off.
Yeah, you got to go back and finish it off.
Oh, I missed out big time on that one.
Yeah, well, I mean, you were in a lot of pain and everything else though.
Yeah.
See, even the bike felt your pain.
I know. Come out in sympathy with me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know
I've
what?
got to try and get everything done. Get this exhaust popping sorted as well. So I'll get all that done all before I go. Be nice to get the lower it and then do the trip and see what the difference is like.
Yes.
It's not so much my back, it's more...
How is it now? How's your back?
It's fine, yeah, good. Yeah.
Excellent. Oh, brilliant.
I've still got the pins and needles in my foot and my toe and the numbness on the side of my leg. But
Does that come? Is that all the time, or does that come and go?
Well, I reckon if it's not back by after 12 months, by the summer, it could be permanent. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It gives me a little bit of jip now and again. It hurts, but not like it's not like a painful pain. It's a really annoying pain sometimes.
Yeah, I got you.
Underneath my toes as well, like the when I pad, if I wear certain shoes, it really hurts.
Yeah, I'm
So
with you.
I have to wear soft shoes now.
Oh, you got to get a pair of those Crocs or something, have you?
No, I don't in them.
Fluffy slippers with ears.
Yeah, pink ones.
Good man.
Stevie's in.
That's it.
Yeah, he's here.
Yeah, we got full house. Everyone's here.
You say we got a table booked in tonight, yeah? What time are they doing it for?
I can't remember exactly. I think the table's booked for 7.
Where is it? A certain pub or restaurant, is it? Or
Yeah, like a restaurant. I think tonight is like a. I think it's like a fish type restaurant tonight.
oh, nice. Okay.
And something different tomorrow night.
Cool.
Yeah.
Did you eat there last night then as well?
No. We
Oh no, you had pasta at home, didn't you?
Yeah, Ian cooked us. Our chef. We had our chef with us. That's what Jason said. The chef can have a night off tonight.
Cool.
We're taking the chef out tonight.
What do you do? Walk down and get a cab back up or something? Or
No, what's that? Get a cab?
yeah, do you walk down and get a cab back up or something? Or did you walk?
I don't know. Did you rode up? You rode up that hill, didn't you?
Yeah, I know. I thought I wouldn't fancy walking up this. Like in Cardiac Hill, I called it.
Yeah, that's quite steep.
Oh, that is very steep, and it's very long as well.
I was cringing this morning because I saw you go past and I was like, no, Alby, stop, Alby, there's a steep hill. No, it's wet, it's raining, it's going to be slippery, oh my
I
God.
was a bit worried about it. I thought, oh, am I going to get brake paid? Coming back up here, I'm not leaning over the tank
Yes.
to keep the front end down.
Well, we could hear your bike. When I was at the top of the lane, I could hear your bike at the bottom. Obviously, you were turning round.
Yeah.
But I didn't know how far down you were. But yeah, I could hear it. I thought, oh, I better go and flag you down. You might go past it again.
Yeah, I would have. Thanks for that, mate. I was trying to go back up the hill to get a signal, because there was no signal down there to call you.
Well, I did. I ran back in. I thought, I know he's going to probably go in and ring. I know why he did that, just to get past the coach.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
It was funny, because his one does sound nice. I'm coming through.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello, I'm back.
Ah, well done.
I thought my battery had died, but I just heard it bleep in the ear, and I thought, oh, maybe there's some life in it still.
Earlier on, Ian phoned me, that's why I disappeared.
Ah, I thought my battery died.
No, he goes, obviously, where are you all? I was like, never mind, where are we? Where are you?
Yeah, thanks for waiting.
And then I think you went straight on at the roundabout, because that's what it looked like. He went, I don't know, he said I was just following the others. And he said, no, I don't think we did. I said, no, we figured that out. I said, but and then suddenly he went, hang on, I can see you. I can see you, I think you're coming down the hill.
That was lucky then.
Yeah. I must admit, Jamie is such a good pillion. He's such a good passenger that you don't know he's on the back, if you know what I mean.
My Ricky was like that. Yeah. I used to tap his leg all the time and
that's what
me just to let me know he's there every now and again.
Yeah. Or if I'm going to boot it, I'll just give him a couple of taps so he knows.
Yeah, they grip you with his leg. Yeah.
But yeah. Apart from the obviously the extra weight.
Yeah.
Hang on, we're turning.
Yeah,
so apart from the extra weight, Steve's rubbing it in now. That way. On the corners and everything else, apart from, like I said, the weight bit, I don't notice him, on there at all. He does it.
Part of the bike, isn't he?
Yeah, exactly. Even braking, only a couple of times he has to adjust himself. If I hit a bit of a bump in the road, of course it kicks him off the seat a bit.
All right.
But apart from that, like now he's just readjusting himself because of that bump back there.
Is he going to ride himself?
Yeah, but he doesn't want. I mean, he's 16 now. You know, he could do a 50, but he's not interested with a 50
Nah,
because
that's too dangerous.
exactly because of the speed and everything else.
Yeah. He's better off waiting, isn't he?
Yeah, that's what he's going to do. So when he's 17, he's going to basically, you know, do his lessons and do his bike thing at the same time.